Alright, so today, Colin popped the tire, stripped the lug nut, so I'm gonna go rescue him. Filling up the tank right now. And hopefully we can get this done. He's got work at 4, so alright, let's get it done. What's up, Colin? What's up, dude? So yeah, we're here. That's yeah, that's flat.
That's a little flat.
Alright, let's get to work.
Put my gloves on, 'cause I don't have to get dirty.
Might need this bad boy. Don't you just love working on cars?
Yeah, in my garage.
Yeah, so Colin may or may have not stripped his lug nut.
I definitely did.
Alright, is everything else loose?
Everything else is correct.
So alright, let's
I don't know what you want to try.
see the 16 first. I really don't like smashing it in.
Nice.
Gotta make sure it's on there, you know?
Security's gonna be coming for us. Security. They're gonna be like, hey, what you doing?
Don't worry about it, go home.
Go home, it's the weekend.
It's a horrible ratchet too.
It just come on loose.
No, it's stripped. It's twisted.
Good push, thank you.
A plan B.
These extractor set. Oh, that's on there.
Yes, it is. Oh, fuck.
Oh, shit.
Might have hooked up.
Didn't think about that.
Yeah, me either. I think that was like 18. Do you have a socket set?
No.
Alright, so we're gonna have to do.
Oh, hello.
That is on there, too.
God damn it. Hold on. Think there's any parts stores around here?
Yeah, I know Barrow Heights is.
How far is it?
From here, not too far.
Road trip. Could always go there and just get an 18. Or I can leave that on there.
Nope. Alright. Technical difficulties.
What was that?
Technical difficulties.
Look at the buildings. That's not a building.
Lucas.
Hey, Josh down there. Huh? Road trip.
Please tell me I got something in here. Yeah, it broke.
So the breaker bar broke? So it's a broker bar.
Note to self: don't use regular tools on diesels.
Oh, I know that feeling.
Well, let's put this back.
Thank you. Put all these back in. That right there.
I should have one of these.
I do have one. I didn't bring it.
Why?
Where? Left?
Yes. Keep turning left at the parking garage.
Right here?
No, keep going.
Okay.
Follow the arrows.
They made a left turn.
Bigger boy, let's go racing.
you guys do on a Saturday?
What don't we do on a Saturday?
Drugs. Don't do drugs, kids. On the road again. I just can't wait to get my tire off and get on the road again.
Are we going to Shrewsbury?
No.
We're going on 290?
Yeah. 7 minutes away.
Where are we going?
Borough Height. I mean, Borough Hardware.
Probably easier just to go to fucking O'Reilly's.
Where's O'Reilly's?
On 20? In Auburn? I don't know how far that is away.
Where the fuck is this taking us? Hold on. Yeah. We'll just go over here. It's fine. It's just down the road. Ooh, 99.
99 restaurant. Always got shit food.
Except for the wings.
Their wings are pretty good. Granted, you can't really mess up the wings.
Oh, you can.
Yeah, but like, you have to be real bad if you mess up wings. The BMW i8 makes fake engine sounds for the interior.
Nah.
Yeah.
That's stupid.
So you can make it sound like a Mustang on the inside.
No.
Yeah, you step on it and the audio goes. It's like, Jesus.
That's funny.
That's so dope.
Wonder.
I don't know if you can see it from here. Oh, they're moving. Thankyou. Oh no. Oh, he's going left.
Yo, he has main plates.
NSX, baby! Alright, so we're back.
This one? No, this one.
Yeah, it's the next one. We got a low profile of.
Oh, jeez, man. You good? Stroke much?
We got a low profile adapter set for all of the sizes. Just in case I'm done. And we got an 8-piece half-inch drive deep socket set. Hopefully the 18 in here will work.
Well, I mean, if it doesn't, we can go for a 19. Because it goes up to what, 21?
Buddy, it goes up to 24.
Oh, jeez. You are set. You know where we're going from here?
Nope. Go for a drive.
Purchase
Thank
your
God
tracks
we
today.
freaking have technology.
Yeah, right. Or else we wouldn't be talking to you right now.
Our viewers. Alright. Back here at Colton's car. Give this one more try, see what happens. Ooh. That hurts.
God damn it.
Alright, this is gonna get loud. Hand it off to Colton after he's done. Strong man. Ow. Well, I think you got a 16.
Wonder.
Well then. It broke.
It's breathing. The whole car's moving, Josh.
Step on the brake. It's on there though.
Yep.
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright, so story is we couldn't get it off. So we just filled it up with a little bit of air just to get it out of the parking garage, and we're gonna just tow it out of here. Worried about it tomorrow, because it's a pain in the ass and he has work in like 2 hours.
Wonder.
So yeah, that's us. So we're just trying to get out of the parking garage right now, then. And we'll see what goes from there. Alright, peace. Look at this shark fin. So yeah, we found a place where to park it and get it towed. And we're just gonna wait for the tow truck now. Alright guys, I'll let you know what happens.